it's Shan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day tasty treat video, and I actually am kind of proud of some of them. Some of them didn't turn out so good. Oh, pizza. But the others were really good, and I took some really artsy pictures of them. Anyway, I have 4 different treats to share with you guys. I have a drink, a bark, a cookie, and a pizza. Let's not talk about the pizza, okay? I'm gonna show it to you, but let's not talk about it, okay? Okay. Without further ado, let's learn how to make some Valentine treatsy treats.
Okay, so our first one is super easy. All you need is some pre-cut sugar cookies and some Valentine M&Ms. You just place your sugar cookies onto a cookie sheet, put them into the oven for the recommended amount of time on the package, and then halfway through, bring them out, put these little M&Ms all in your cookies. It makes them so cute, and then just put them back in the oven to finish cooking the rest of the time. Treat number 2, all you need is some pepperoni, a pizza crust, some pizza sauce, and some cheese. I floured my workstation to begin, and then I just rolled out my pizza crust and started making this. Now I will warn you guys, this one burns so easy, so when it's time to put it in the oven, make sure you keep an eye on it. Just go ahead and start placing your hearts cookie cutters and making your crusts for your pizzas. I also made my little pepperonis into heart shapes as well. So super cute. After that, I just added some pizza sauce onto my pizza crust. The more the merrier. And then I added some cheese, my favorite part of pizza, let's be honest here. And then just add your pepperonis on top. Super cute, personalized little touch. Go ahead and put those in the oven. And then for this third treat, just melt some chocolate, fill up your pan, take your pretzel twists and just put them in rows because you're going to cut these into squares. Then you're going to take your sprinkles and your icing. I got cookie icing. Just put your sprinkles all over. And then fill in the middle of the pretzels with this icing. And then you're going to just put it in the refrigerator to chill. And once it's completely cooled down, you can bring it out and cut it into little squares. This last one is a drink. It's called Cupids Float. You just need whipped cream, some vanilla ice cream, some strawberry Fanta, and some cherries. Then you just fill up a cup with your vanilla ice cream. I put about 4 scoops because your girl loves some ice cream. So good. Then just pour some Fanta over the top of that. I stirred it up to give it that awesome ombre-ish look. Added some whipped cream on the top. And then a cherry. And this was delicious, guys. Delicious.
So much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you thought of my processes that I did. Peed on myself just a little bit when I coughed right then. Anyway, whatever. But follow me on my Instagram because I post cute pictures. And other than that, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Mwah! I love you. Bye.